you how you can make your own DIY anti-aging facial serum at home. Now, in case you're not familiar with Serum, Serum is a skincare product that is designed to deliver high concentration of specific active ingredient to the skin. Now, there are many different types of serum out there on the market. You have serum for hydration, you have anti-aging serum, you have serum that can boost collagen production, you have serum for bright skin, just all different kinds of serum. However, the serum I'm going to share with you today is going to be able to do all of that. It's going to smooth wrinkles and fine lines. It's going to boost the collagen production in the skin. It's also going to clear the skin, and it's going to hydrate the skin. It's going to also have to get rid of large pores, and guess what? It's going to leave your skin just soft, supple, hydrated. It's going to look younger and fresher with a natural glow. So if you're interested in seeing how I personally make my homemade serum, my unique anti-aging facial serum, let's get in the kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best results. Now, to make our anti-aging facial serum, I'm going to be using some coconut water, and you can choose to use the box coconut water, 100% pure, or you can choose to go and get it like I did at the green grocery. Let them cut it for you and pour it in your jug and store it in your refrigerator. Now, the reason for using coconut water, guys, is that it is very, very good for the skin. It contains omega-3, it contains electrolytes, magnesium, potassium. It also contains vitamin C, which is very hydrating and help to boost collagen production in the skin. Now, I'm not using a lot of the coconut water. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the coconut water. Next, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. A little goes a long way here. I'm also using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. And I'm going to mix my coconut water and my aloe vera gel together. So blend this well. And next, I'm going to reach for some rose water. Very hydrating to the skin. And I'm using about a teaspoon of rose water. Pour that in. And then I'm just going to keep mixing. So we're mixing aloe vera gel, coconut water, and rose water. And take a look at this up close, guys. You can see it's very, very jelly. So totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the coconut water and the rose water. Next, we're going to add some honey, which is also moisturizing and hydrating. I'm using a little bit, around about a teaspoon of the honey. We're just going to make sure to blend the honey out. Just keep mixing, guys. Just keep mixing. We're making a serum here, guys. So we have coconut water, we have rose water, we have aloe vera gel, and we have honey. Now you can leave it just as it is, guys. You don't need to add anything else. However, if you have vegetable glycerine, you can go ahead and add about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. And then we're going to mix this together. Just totally mix well. And this is it, guys. Now just let me reach for my container to pour this in. So you want to store your serum in a jar with a tight cover. Just pour our serum in. Now, guys, if you're looking to brighten the skin, you can choose to add a little bit of a turmeric powder to this. This is a very pleasant fragrance, guys. Very, very pleasant fragrance. Just scoop everything out. And here you have it, guys. This is your facial serum, hydrating facial serum, very thick, very rich, all water-based, guys. This is the perfect serum for your skin. Now, to use the serum, guys, you're just gonna take a little bit of the serum, apply it to clean skin, and just massage it on the skin. Just massage it on the skin. The skin is gonna drink this up, guys. It's just gonna drink this serum up. So what you want to do, you're just gonna apply this anti-aging facial serum to your skin, guys, and you're just gonna watch your skin transform to a younger, fresher, radiant, glowing skin. Store this in your refrigerator and you can use it up within 7 to 10 days. Now, this is good to use both AM and PM, and the good thing about this, it can use right under your moisturizer, or you can just choose to choose to apply it directly to your skin right after you wash your skin. You can skip the facial toner and just use this serum, and then you can apply a moisturizer atop, which is really not necessary. Okay, guys, so give this one a try, guys. This is really nice. There you have it, an amazing anti-aging homemade facial serum. And this facial serum is loaded with hydration, guys. It's gonna have to smooth out wrinkles and fine lines. It's gonna have to boost the collagen production in the skin. It's gonna leave your skin just looking younger and fresher. You definitely, when you use it on a regular, will see a huge transformation to your skin. Your skin will not only feel hydrated, soft and supple, but it will look younger and fresher. So give it a go. Use it for a couple of weeks, guys. Use it up, use it up, use it up, and watch your skin just go from dull, wrinkled to just this young, radiant